Hey guys, I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to add some images to the gang sheet builder. We have a local guy, Bobby from Backwoods Skateboarding. He wants to build a gang sheet. He sent me some images and I'm going to show you how to get them on there and maybe remove the background and edit them. So we're at the home page. We go to DTF transfers. We load in build a gang sheet. Now all we have to do is hit upload images. And we are going to drag and drop in our 3 images. Bobby actually wants these 13 inches wide. And if you do that, you see that it drops it down into the bad DPI. Now you can still send this to print if you want, but this is at your discretion now. It might be a little pixelated. But what we can do is, I think it was at 6 inches. Yeah, in 6 inches. We can use the upscale feature here. Right here. So let's upscale that. And now the program is going to try to, I wouldn't say fully vectorize it, but at least upscale it to where we can get 300 DPI. So now it's 300 DPI at 24 inch wide. He wanted it at 13 inches. We can do the same over here. So now that we got these both at a nice DPI, I'm actually going to edit this one in the gang sheet builder. So let's just apply this. And now we can zoom in and actually look at our image. That's looking really nice. Now we can click this one. We're clicking our Backwoods skateboard. Bobby asked that we remove the background on this one, so we can go to edit image. All right, now that we're in the image editor, we can remove the background. It got rid of all of the beige. It automatically cropped it too. And now we can upscale the quality. And we can hit apply. Let's see. Let's drag this down a little bit. Bobby wanted this one 9 inches wide. We can actually go to the auto build feature again. And now we can go to 9 inches wide. .231 is still a decent DPI. I need to go in here and edit to where that says it's okay. Let's remove this. We don't need these. Now we can hit apply. And now it's showing we've got our 9 inch backwoods here. We have our 2 13 inch here. You can actually click them and see their width, 13 inches. We've got your 3 images here now that are ready to print. If you wanted more of these, you could actually click them, hit duplicate image here. Let's grab a few of these. Let's say we want more of these, duplicate them. We can zoom out to see the gang sheet. Now I wouldn't print it like this. I would always hit auto nest right here. Before you go to print, this will get rid of a lot of the dead space so you're not paying for it. If you hit auto nest, it automatically moves these into what it believes is the best orientation. Once your gang sheet is built, you can come up here and hit place order. You can name it. It's just letting us know that there is a low resolution image. That's that like 230 DPI image that'll print fine. You're saying print anyway. You're saying that you own these logos, and then you can go to checkout. And then Bobby was asking about local pickup. So right here, you just click that. It's going to take all your shipping out. And you're ready to go. Click place your order. We'll print it, and you'll get an email when it's done and ready to pick up. I hope that helped.